Hi, I'm architect Michaela Constantino. The projects that I've handled are more on residential and then commercial projects. Actually, this project is located in BGC, and then it's an 85 square meter condo unit with 2 bedrooms. So the client talaga is very particular when it comes to the furniture that she wants to incorporate in this condo design. So what we did is we muted the finishes and then make the furniture itself the accent pieces of this interior. So when selecting the finishes or the kinds of tiles that we're going to use in this project, syempre unang tinitignan namin is yung design and then at the same time yung durability niya. So mostly ng mga tiles na ginamit namin in this project are large format tiles which is on demand nowadays since mas elegant kasi tignan pag less yung grout compared to those small format tiles na mas marami yung grout line. So ngayon, mas marami nang gumagamit ng large format tiles. That's why we incorporated din ito sa aming design. Si client, ang gusto niyang design is modern, at the same time trendy, na medyo elegant pa rin siya tignan. So yun nga, nasabi ko na si client meron na siyang preferred selection of furniture. So what we did sa design namin is medyo tinone down namin yung finishes na ginamit namin. So ang nangyari is yung parang yung mga furniture, yun yung mismo naging accent pieces nitong interior. And then at the same time, yun nga, para hindi rin sumasapaw kumbaga yung mga finishes na nilagay namin on this design. Actually, I was added by my colleague doon sa Viber community ng Floor Center, and then doon nakakakita ako ng iba't ibang postings about the new technologies about the tiles, kung ano ba yung mga trending nowadays. So I think that was very helpful on our part, syempre as an architect kasi limited lang din yung knowledge namin about sa tiles. With that Viber community, mas na-expound kumbaga yung aming knowledge with regards to ano ba yung bago sa mga tiles. Siyempre, I would definitely recommend Floor Center with my other colleagues kasi ever since, ginagamit naman na talaga namin yung Floor Center tiles sa aming mga projects. And wala naman kami naging problema with regards to that. And then, marami kasi silang selection, kumbaga, ng design compared to the other brands na alam namin. So, with regards sa quality, wala. Unquestionable yung quality niya. Super durable. So, definitely, yun naman talaga hinahanap ng lahat.